How to turn on or turn off Fast App Termination on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down. At the bottom here, tap on Developer. Now if you do not have Developer, tap on Privacy and Security. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Mode. In here, tap on Developer Mode and make sure it is turned on. After that, we go back to Settings, then tap on Developer. Now scroll down, and in here, tap on Fast App Termination. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now here it says Terminate instead of suspending apps when backgrounded to force apps to be relaunched when they are foregrounded. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.